First problem, we hit on the road. So here we are, getting ready to move on. The destination awaits, South Africa. Here we go.
Hello.
We're on the road to Natal.
Yeah, we're going through to.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're on the road from Benoni to to the highway.
Yeah. So just past Villiers, before Harry Smith, we had a burst tire. I was traveling at the back and I could see something white going around, and I kept warning Graham that there was something going on with the tire. So, and then we arrived at Harry Smith after changing the wheel, and this is when they gave us another second-hand one to get us to Durban. King on Jaunty, getting a new second-hand spare tire. So what we doing, Graham?
We got a second-hand tire we're going to put on here to help us out. The new one is 1.5.
The smallest church in South Africa, supposed to be. This is the Drakensberg. There's about 3 pews on each side, so it is tiny. Got about 12 pews. So Graham, how far are we?
We're far. This is Van Renen's Pass, and there's a little house, a little church here that we'll show you. And if you look over there, what a beautiful view. We're at a coffee shop here. Look at that view.
Stunning, eh?
Wow. Amazing.
Mm.
We're in Natal, babes.
I hear so.
We are just in Natal.
And look at these scones.
I think it's amazing.
Beautiful,
I'm
eh?
going to drink it with sugar.
A little bit. I heard these scones are delicious here.
Very nice, man. Well done.
Beautiful, thank you. Oh wow, beautiful, eh? We arrived in Ballito. Interesting fact is the name Ballito means in Italian the little ball. It was taken from a hosiery ad that was made in England in 1955.
On the bridge.
Ah, babes.
No.
You enjoying your holiday?
It's very nice. Eh? It's such a lovely place out here as well.
Yeah. Wow.
Look at the foliage here.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's called the forest, mini forest walk.
That is what it is.
Yeah. The elephant
Look at the
ears.
elephant here.
These are like giant ones.
Okay, even bigger.
Yeah, absolute giant. And then you get the beautiful.
So can we take a stroll through here? Because you'll see a path.
tired, that's why I did.
Zijn lekker. Lekker bij die.
Hi Graham, how are you enjoying your holiday?
I think it's very nice actually. We had a wonderful time. A bit sticky and hot for me, but it's nice. Jasmine. It's getting bigger. Got sprayed in there, up there. What?
See, it looks like my mom. Looks more like my grand. Looks more like my grand. Yes, yes, like my grand. Is this your size, Graham?
No, but I'm just showing you what it looks like. Look
Nice.
down and see the colour.
It's beautiful, eh? It's a bit like art. It's like art. Art. Beautiful. Look at all of these. It's just like art.
Look at these in this colour.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Love.
Okay, we're not going through all of them now.
No.
Oh, wow. Cute,
No.
eh?
Good hot.
Yeah.
See my crystal
vintage. Love this look. It's like a old farmhouse look. I want the name of the shop as well.